You share your store's pages on social networks, especially Facebook, but the results are never what you expected. This module will enable you to implement a winning strategy for adapting your site's images to sharing on Facebook. Take a seat and let us guide you through the installation and configuration of this module on your PrestaShop store. Once you've downloaded the module archive following your purchase, you'll need to install it on your store. To do this, click on the button in the top right-hand corner, then simply drag the module archive file into the window that has just appeared. The installation will start automatically, just wait until it's complete. All that's left is to click on the Configure button. Immediately after installation, the module will share the cover images of products, categories, manufacturers, and suppliers if these images exist, and for all other pages, it will share the logo installed on your store. The module comes with a FAQ section to help you configure your images and use the module, as well as share them on social networks. You'll find information on how to choose the right image format, how to reset Facebook's cache so that new images are taken into account, how to adapt your theme following installation of this module, and how to set the module's position so that it is processed first when one of your pages is shared. For each type, product, category, manufacturer, or supplier page, you can choose one of the image formats already configured on your store, and thus select the one most suited to the Facebook guidelines presented in the FAQ section. For best results, it is preferable to create a new format, respecting Facebook's guidelines, which will only be used for sharing images. Please note that while this is the best solution, it is also the most resource-intensive, since you'll need to generate all the thumbnails for this new image format. For better sharing of your links, it's best to create a specific image format that you can associate with the module. Click on the link to add a new image format and choose an image format name. In our case, Facebook seems the most suitable. Define the dimensions of your new image format. To help you, go to the FAQ to use the formats recommended by Facebook, so you don't make any mistakes. Here, we'll choose the format 600 by 315 pixels. Then, associate this new format with products, categories, brands, and suppliers. Once you've created this new format, you'll need to take the time to generate thumbnails for all elements of type, categories, brands, suppliers, products. This can be very time-consuming, and if you have a lot of thumbnails to generate, especially for products, it can block your page. Simply refresh the page and repeat the procedure without deleting the previous images. Once you've generated these thumbnails, simply go back to the module configuration to associate the new Facebook image format for products, categories, brands, and suppliers, then simply save this new configuration and the new format will be used for all new shares. You've just finished installing and configuring the module. Your social network shares and those of your customers will now be in the best possible format. I'll leave you to discover the functionality that allows you to set up a custom image with the right dimensions to replace your logo and adapt it to the brand image you wish to broadcast on social networks. Support remains at your disposal should you have any queries regarding this module.